Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to do the step cards. And here we've printed the card on cardstock, white cardstock paper, and we ran it back through. The back side has the background print. In this case, it's a blue stripe. Okay, so we're gonna trim our card. Okay, that's the basic card. Or the card base. And we're going to do the message portion. Okay, I've got the pieces trimmed. And now I'm going to show you, we're going to score against the score lines. In this case, I've got them colored so they stand out a little bit. And we're going to use our tool. If you don't have a scoring tool, these will be your fold lines. It just makes it much easier to fold correctly if you've scored. Okay. This one has 2 score lines. Okay, so now these are going to be mountain folds on this little piece, like this. These also will be mountain folds. I'm just pressing by hand. You can use a that's usually good enough. Okay. I'm going to switch them back to valley folds. We're going to come up this way. This is how our box is going to be. Okay, it's real simple. What we're going to do is put our glue on this little edge. And then we're going to fold it like this, because our card will lay flat like that. Okay. And it might take some mashing to get it to stick. So that's the basic step card. Now this little section goes in the front like this, and so you're only gonna put glue on about this much of it. Now this is where you're going to have to kind of eyeball it, but we want it just above that edge and centered. So I'm going to go just above that edge and then eyeball it to center it. What you got, what do you think is right? Press that down. And then when our card sits down, it'll be like this. But when it's folded, it'll be like this. So what we're going to do is put the glue on this little flap. And then we're going to press it like this. So we've got that in the proper position. So that when we open it, it will be just under the message on top. Okay. And that's all there is to this little step card. It's gonna go flat like this for mailing, and then of course on the back you're gonna print out your message and glue on there. There's a little pocket here that you can glue on for a gift card, and you can even tuck your little message in there if you want. That's all there is to these little step cards. Very, very simple, and then they, of course, stand up by themselves.